back to another video on the finance management system of the Schoolnotion app. In the last video I promised that we're going to be going in depth into the different aspects of the finance feature, and that is what we are doing. This is the first video where we're going to be breaking it all down. So let's go. Click on the finance. So this is a brand new session. Everything is brand new, no record found anywhere. When you go to your transactions as well, there will be nothing, fees, nothing. So you have to set it all up, and the first thing to do is to create fees. So now when you create fees, you can then allocate and track fees, you can create discounts, record payments and everything. But the first thing is to create fees. So we're going to be clicking on the create fees. Now the way this operates is that you have to set up categories, the different fee categories that you operate in your school. So for example, maybe the school fee category, uniform category, everything that people are paying for in your school, this is where you set up the category. So now we start. How do we do that? We click on the plus sign. So let's use school fee because this is generic to all schools. So school fees category, then we click on save. So now the category has been created successfully. So now our school fees category has been created. So the next thing, you can also create as many categories as you want. So let's say you also have the uniform category. You can do that as well. Then you click on save. It has also been created successfully. Like I said, you have to come back to. So now everything, all the categories that we've created are already here. So that is how to create categories, fee categories. See you in the next video.